Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and well, look what I have. Look what I have. Yes, crystal canvas art. They got some new things in, and I had to go. I had to go looking. Of course, I had to go looking. So I got two. Let me show you what I got. I love their box. It's so cool. I mean, it's all special, blingy over here, and has their name. I love it. Okay. Let's see. I got one new and one older one. It's not super old. I mean, so I've been looking at it for a while. I even asked Amy about it. I was like, what do you think about this one? Do you think this is going to turn out? What do you think? She's like, yeah, I don't know. She said, it should. She says, I mean, the rendering looks good. I can send you a picture of the naked canvas and all that. She says, it's just not my style. And I was like, oh, okay, well, I love it. This canvas is perfect. Okay, so they have a stiffer canvas. That's why it's making all this racket. Let me roll this backwards. So they have this stiffer canvasy material, but look at, there is not a wrinkle, not a pucker, nothing on that thing. It is perfect. Here are our drills. As you know, Crystal Canvas does crystal paintings, full crystal, all day, every day. They do not do regular drill. There might be some regular drills in here, like usually black, and there'll be a resin drill, but other than that, it's all crystals. They also have special things. They have like keychains and, you know, the fun stuff. So check them out if you've never checked them out. Here's the toolkit, a tray, wax, a glittery pen. We do have a multi-placer on there. We do, yay, look at that. All right, so this is the one I looked at and I looked at and I looked at it. And I just decided if I was going to go buy something, just get it. It's a 20 by 28 inch, so it's 50 by 70. And it's called Sun-Soaked Sunflowers. That's a lot of S's. Sun-Soaked Sunflowers. Here's the legend. It has 35 colors. Everything looks nice. Look at how clear the drill field is. Let's see. Does it zoom in? Zoom. No, I said zoom. Zoom, zoom. There we go. Super clear, right? Don't think that you're going to get a lot of color blocking because you probably are not. Nope. Okay, are you ready to see this? I just, look at it. Wow. Okay, so it looks very light right now. Looks very light without the drills on it. But it is these beautiful sunflowers down here, and they're very geometric. Like this one over here has like some dots on it. This one has some other shapes, lines, things like that in the centers of the sunflowers. And I thought that was really cool. And then there's these little bees, just these little bees flitting all over. And of course we have the sun up there just shining on everything. So it does look super light here, but it is not going to look light when it is finished. It's really going to darken up when you put those drills on it, and it will be super pretty. Lots of yellows, lots of blues, and then this is browns. The center of those sunflowers are browns. So it should turn out really, really nice when it's done. I like it. I really, really want to do it. I do. Look at even the all of the little rays of the sun. You'll see, I mean, there's a little color blocking, but there are multiple colors. Okay, let's look at the colors. Love to look at the colors. Our kit number is on there, our size. There's a legend on both sides, as you can tell. Let's open this up. All right, we're in. Okay, I don't know if they're in order. They used to be in order, but I don't think they are right now. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Yeah, they are. They still are in order. So I'm going to mess it all up. So like I said, lots of browns, yellows, oranges. Look at that big bag of gold. Another yellow. Another yellow. There's some of the blue, right? All right. So it's really going to be blue, gold, brown. There's another blue, Such pretty colors. If you have not done a full crystal diamond painting, you should try one sometime. They are fun to do. I really need to finish the tiger I was working on. I had to put the tiger away for the chuck-along. Now, let me point something out here. You may have a few loose drills in your bag. If you have a few, it's because of this. So as they're filling these bags up, sometimes they don't get everything inside before they seal up the bag. So just check for that, open it up, pop them in there. See, here's another one. It's got like 3. They get caught in the little lip before they get them sealed up. So just do that, okay? So, little tip for you. And even if you have a whole bag exploded in the bottom, all you have to do is just leave them in the bag, gather them up, and put them back in. You know, it's not a huge deal. There's one right there. See him? He's trying to get away. But look at all the pretty blues and teal colors. So many yellows and golds. It's just wow. Okay, I'm going to stop right here. Put these back in the bag. Because, I mean, you get the point. You get the point. Yellows, browns, blues, golds, gorgeous, right? Look, I told you I was going to mess them all up. I might put them back in order before I put it away. I just might have to do that. All right. I'm going to seal it up so they don't fall all over. Hang on. And then I will probably, most likely, go fix that up before I put it away. All right. This is the new one. And I believe it sold out. Now, that being said, hopefully she'll get it back because it was really, really popular. What she did with this order is she got a larger variety of paintings, not as many of each one. So if it was really popular, they sold out quickly. I'm certain this is already on her reorder list. Oh, and this one's different. Yes, that's right. Okay, this is an older one. It's got that regular, like, thicker canvas. This one has soft back. I remember now, I heard somebody talking about that they went to this soft lint kind of backing on them. That's cool. I like that. Look how easy that lays out. Look at that. Love that, right? Woo, that's wonderful. Look at the toolkit's different. Okay, all right. Let's see what's different about the toolkit. Well, we got a squishy for our pen. We have heart wax. And we have a pink boat. Huh. Nifty. A pink Mosfa boat. I have never gotten one of those before. Huh, nifty. And then the pink squishy. Love it. Okay, I had to have this. This is what made me go purchase. This is the one that made me go purchase. You'll understand. You ready? I like this. This is really nice. And look it, it's flawless. There's nothing wrong with this canvas. Love it. That's a big gnome. He's a big old gnome, right? Let's other way. Come on. Look at him. Oh my goodness. It says sunflower wishes and honey bee kisses. They're both bee based, right? I was into the bees at this order. Look at him. I love him. Love him. Okay, it's got a lot of like white background, which is going to be most likely a clear rhinestone. But oh my goodness, I'll be happy. This one has color blocking. This one has a whole lot more color blocking than that one did. It has 33 colors. Wow. That's a lot of colors for yellows and browns and greens, right? I'm in the same color palette even. Same color, well, of course, it's bees and sunflowers. Why wouldn't I be in the same color palette? But look at him. He's so cool. Look, he's got a bee at the end of his hat. He's got sunflowers. He's got a big old bee right here. It's okay. They don't want to hurt you. You'll be fine. Don't have a fit. Don't flail around. They won't sting you, right? I love it. Oh my goodness. I love that. Oh, it's so cute. So I do believe it sold out, but you know, I'm going to get with Amy. I'm gonna be like, you are ordering more of those gnomes, right? And if you can find any more like this, bring them on. Bring them on. you know? Yes, yes, please. Isn't it cool? It's so cool. This is good and sticky. That's really good and sticky. I love the new canvas. I really do. I like how it doesn't wrinkle at all. It lays down nice and flat. It's nice and smooth. I love it. That's gorgeous. Oh. And look at his little plaid feet. He's got plaid feet to match his plaid hat. He's so cute. Oh my goodness, I love him. Love him. We'll take more. Amy, if you watch, we'll take more of these. Find more. Find some girls. Find some, you know, pink ones, purple ones, you know, blue. Go for it. Go for it. Okay, here's number 1. I told you, right? 2 big honkin' bags of clear rhinestones. And see, look at all of them trying to get away. All these little rhinestones are trying to get out. Get back in your bag. I will go through both of these and I will open all of my bags that have escapees, and I'll organize everything. So don't worry about it. I'll fix them all up. Fix them all. All right. So again, oh look, there's a bunch of red there. Orangey red. Oh goodness. Oranges, golds, yellows. This one has greens. The other one didn't have green, right? Because we have weaves to contend with here. So we got a lot of greens, but all these oranges, browns. Love it. Oh, they're going. Hang on. Oh, I got them. They were trying to get away from me. That's like gray. Those are all like grays. Now look, they're all like gray. They're slightly different, just slightly different. Okay, let me do this. Oh, there's 4 of them in a row here. Look, let me see if I can get you really close so you can see. Look, see this one is, okay, come on. No, focus. Focus, focus. See this one is a little darker, just a little darker. This one is a little lighter. This one is a little smokier. These are all, and then this one gets really dark, but they are all so close. And that's what we call like a gradient. And having all of these little slight variations is what makes these paintings just turn out fantastic, right? Look at how many greens we have. I don't even know how many greens there are. How many yellows are there? No idea. A bunch. But that's what makes them turn out so great. And this is probably, yeah, this is a resin. That's resin, all right? These are black. They're just silver backed, but they are a black resin drill. This will be the only resin drill you will find in her paintings like this. But they use it for the definition, to make things stand out. And one's trying to leave, right? So I love it. I just love it. I was so excited when I saw this, you guys. And, you know, I had people telling me, Mindy. I'm like, I know. I know. See, one got away right there. Just go get him. Anyhow, it's gorgeous. He's so stinking adorable, right? Adorable. All right. So like I said, the new order was probably like a week ago that she put things up. So if you want to go, there's still many things available. Just go get some stuff. It's so cute. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And thank you, Amy, for what you do. You do a great job over there. Oh, yes. Look, she made me a note. She pointed to the sunflower kisses and said, new canvas. I got it, Amy. I got it. Yeah. And I like it. All right. I like it. And Amy, new toolkit, right? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I will talk to you soon. Take care. I'm surviving the wind today, trying not to blow away. Although everything on my porch is blowing away. So I think we're not in Kansas anymore. It's one of those kind of days, you know? Okay. I will talk to everybody soon. Have a great day. Bye, you guys.